Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see the concept of significance of back EMF in a DC motor. So in our earlier video, we have seen the concept of generator principle and we have derived the EMF equation of DC generator. Similarly, now we are going to see a concept related to the generated in EMF or induced EMF of DC generator, but here the term is somewhat different, which is denoted as back EMF in case of DC motor, right? So let me draw a diagram. Through that we can understand the concept of back EMF. This is motor and this is armature connector brush, right? This is a brush and here will be the armature connectors. Now this is all brush, right? So the input polarity is plus minus, is supply voltage given to the field winding and armature winding of motor, is represented by V, right? The current flowing from the supply voltage to the armature winding is IA, this is IA, right? Now, here there will be an induced EMF, which I will tell you later. Now, this is the concept, right? We will have field winding in a series in connection or in parallel connection, right? So now, I am going to excite the armature winding and field winding of a motor, DC motor, with the help of this DC external DC supply. The both field winding and armature winding are energized and magnetized. Though it is magnetized due to the magnetization or excitation, armature coil or armature winding will produce a flux, and field winding or main field winding will produce a flux. Both the flux, armature flux and field flux, will link each other, and there exists a force which is known as EMF will be induced due to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So in motor, like generator in motor, there due to flux linkages of armature winding and field winding fluxes, and EMF will be induced, and this EMF is known as back EMF EB. The produced back EMF will oppose the supply voltage, right? Supply voltage V, right? So it is known as back EMF, right? But in generator it is denoted as EG, but in motor it is generated as EB, because in motor, this is in generator, this is for motor, because it opposes the supply, input supply V, right? Actually, initially this V has energized the armature and field winding, but after getting motoring action or after achieving particular speed, the motor produces its own EMF. That EMF opposes the source voltage, its source voltage. So it is represented as EB, back EMF, right? So it is represented by EB is equal to 5P NZ divided by 60A. So this EB will be similar to generated EMF EG, because EG also we have derived a EG derivation. So the final expression or value for EG is 5P NZ divided by 60A, right? So both will be similar, but here in generator it is denoted as EG, generator voltage or generator EMF, but in motor it is represented as EB, back EMF, right? So this is the concept behind significance of back EMF, right? Significance of back EMF. Thank you.